All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And in this video, I'm doing something pretty crazy. I'm gonna be handing my friend the keys to my 900 horsepower Shelby GT350. Now, he knows how to drive manual, but I'm very curious if he likes or dislikes the Vengeance Stage 2 clutch. He's let me drive his car a couple of times.
Flashback.
So it's only fair that I let him drive my car, and on top of that, his car will be getting a supercharger installed on it in the next couple of days. So if you're excited for this video and also the future videos, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications.
A few moments later.
Well, that ain't too bad.
Ah, see, it ain't too bad.
No, that ain't bad.
Now, there's no denying, times have changed and we live in an absolutely crazy world. You never know what the next person you meet is thinking and is trying to do. I mean, there's some sketchy people out there. Take a look at this. Somebody is walking up to my car now. Y'all see this shit? As a car enthusiast, one of the most important things is making sure myself and my ride is safe and secure. And happily, there's a company out there that believes the same as me, and that company is CarLock. Car theft is very real. Thousands of cars are stolen in the US every single day, 1 every 3 seconds, and it's very important that you are not part of that statistic and your car stays safe and secure. Now what we have here is a care package from CarLock. Everything you see is going to be linked in the description. We have the actual CarLock device, which you connect into your OBD2 port. We also have the OBD2 extender, which you can use to further hide the CarLock device. Sometimes they are located in areas where it's difficult to go ahead and have this in a safe and secure spot. CarLock can send real-time notifications to your smartphone if the device is disconnected, vibrations detected, the vehicle is moved, or if the vehicle is turned on. You can also track your vehicle's location via the CarLock app, so you can always know where your vehicle is located. Now that's peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Get your CarLock today and you can use my exclusive code Ears POV 10 to save 10% off your next purchase. Protect your property and gain some peace of mind. All right, so we're at a little school parking lot. Figured this was the best place to do this because there's really nobody around and it's gonna be a great chance for you to get a good feel for the car. I think he's gonna like it. I think he's gonna like it, y'all. I wanted to do this because he always lets me drive his car and I thought it'd be a pretty good video. So yeah, let me get out the driver's seat. Shit. Man, it's windy. Oh Lord. Man, it's hella windy.
Yeah, it is a little windy.
Jesus. It's hella windy. It's hella windy. Ooh, I've never done this before, guys. I ain't gonna lie. I've never done this before. Now, what you want to do is get a good feel for the clutch.
Yeah, the clutch, honestly, it's not as bad as I thought it was. Like, it's still a little heavy, but it's definitely not what I thought it was gonna be.
Now get a good feel for like throw the gears, like.
Wait,
my first.
You have to pull.
No.
Oh, this is reverse.
Reverse is pull up. So second, third, fourth, fifth, and then the sixth. We won't have to go into like fifth or sixth or anything like that. All right. Make sure this is in neutral. Let's go, baby. I think
I'm just worried about like the tune, bro, because every time I see you come up off a stoplight,
that's just kind of like bad habit for me. I don't know why. I don't know why I do that. But you know what I'm saying, I just do it. Yep, foot on the brake. Damn. You see, I got it. Hey, see, he did two hands.
Damn, well, I didn't think that.
Yeah.
You fucking yanked that thing all the way
He did two hands. He did two hands. All right, now clutch in. Put it in first. See if you can go ahead and get it to move without stalling it.
This is where it's gonna be.
Yep.
Like I don't know where it's gonna bite at.
It's gonna bite like at the top. Give it some gas. Release it a little bit. Oh shit! He got it.
We got that shit first try.
Yeah, he got it. Do not go on the main road. Not yet.
No, I'm not going on the main road at all.
Yep, just try to drive around the parking lot. He got it, guys.
First fucking try, bro.
He got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's crazy.
He got it the first try. We're kind of going the wrong way though, low key. But yeah, there's nobody here.
Let's turn this way. There's no one in the parking lot.
Yep. Teaching him how to drive manual, guys. Now shift the gear. See if you can downshift. See if you can downshift the third. You can't?
Downshift. I can't rev match.
See if you can blip it and go. You might.
Try it again though.
Yeah, it might stall. Oh, you clutched in?
Yeah, I clutched in.
Okay, bet. Try it again.
Now I'm shaky.
It's a little jerky, but you know what I'm saying? He's getting it. Yes, sir. I'm actually really impressed.
Yeah,
because I stalled it the first time with this clutch. He just jumped in, turned it on, and started driving around.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little impressed too. I can't.
Yeah, I'm real impressed. Oh, I need to put air in my the tire in the front.
You heard that too?
Yeah, I heard that. Yep. Ooh, yeah, I hear that. See if you can downshift the second. Like blip it and.
I don't even want to try, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Try. I wonder if you can do it. Right now it's a perfect chance. Yep, no, he could. He put it in neutral first. I might put my seatbelt on. All right, hold on. You know what? Let me get the passenger seat. I'm gonna show you how to downshift. We're gonna get you to do it. I'm impressed, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, I need to put air in this tire.
Is it worse than yesterday?
I don't know. I completely forgot.
Your other one even looks a little.
It's because it's so cold.
Yeah. Maybe not.
Nah, I need to put air. But did it, y'all. I can't believe it. Alright, so like when you downshift, it's just gonna be like a smooth operation. You don't want to go ahead and put it into neutral. When you downshift, because I always give it like a little bit of a flip, take off. So second, third, fourth, go to third. You see that? Like a little, tiny little blip. Tiny little blip to second too. We are definitely going the wrong way, but it's okay. Nobody's here. Up this third, down to fourth, and then tiny blip, tiny blip. You see?
So you clutch in, blip, and then straight into the gear?
You want to kind of do it like all at the same time a little bit. You want to like blip it and then put it up in the.
But I'm saying, yeah, you clutch in, give it a blip, and then immediately right to second.
Yep. So, see that? a pretty good job, guys. I ain't gonna lie, I'm impressed. You're doing a pretty good job, y'all. Let's see if we got it. It saved you. It saved you.
Right on the way back.
Yep. I'll try to downshift. It was a little jerky. He got it. He got it.
Just did, bro.
He got it. All right, down to the third.
Hold up. I want to restart. One more go.
All right. Jerked a little bit, it's all good. Alright, on the way back over here. Try it. It'll be easy. See, if we were going faster, it would be easier, but just to be safe, we're not gonna do that.
Way better.
Yep, he got it. He got it. He's a natural. He's a natural.
Shit, I should have got a fucking manual.
Yep. He's a natural, guys. He just jumped in this car and just started downshifting.
Dude, the last time I drove manual
was mine. Probably mine, right?
It was your car.
Yep, the S650.
When I was here for 2K. Or no, that was before 2K.
That was way before, bro. That was way before. The ESS wasn't even on the car. Hell yeah, guys.
Oh.
Yes, sir. He did it.
I'm leaving off on a good note.
He did it. Oh, he did it. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. He did it. Give him a round of applause, y'all. He did it. Let's go. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. He did it. He did it.
Man, I didn't think it was gonna go like that. I should have brought my GoPro.
Hell yeah.
Damn.
All right, so we're back at the casa. Man, I'm impressed, y'all. There's hella traffic. So if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and give a round of applause to Brandon.
Impressed.
Good job.
I didn't think it was gonna be that easy.
Good job. All right, bro, I'm gonna catch you.
Yep, we'll see you.
All right, see ya, bro.